Ferrari BB512 appeared in the Tomica series as early as the 70s. One of my very first made in Japan Tomica Ferrari. This casting produced in 1979. It's now 40 years old and the condition is still perfect. Not to mention the opening rear and the superb paint job for the Ferrari iconic red. And now the BB512 appears in the Tomica Limited Vintage series, which is the recent release for this month. As always, superior finishing, quality paint job, and also intricate details. You can see the Ferrari prancing horse logo at such a scale, in close-up, and it's very impressive. My only complaint is it doesn't come pre-installed with side mirror and you have to install it yourself. Impressive rear lights and the interior, which shows the engine compartment, and overall it's a very clean-cut casting with superior details and opening parts. And now the BB512i in iconic red. As always, red is always my preferred color. It stands out so much better against the silver, and it's really an iconic classic supercar. Amazing details as always, coming from TLV, with the exception of side mirror that you have to mount it yourself, and that's a shame. Almost every month there's a new Ferrari coming, and that's definitely good news for Ferrari lovers. And definitely more Ferrari will be released for 2020 to burn a hole in your wallet. More videos coming. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.